Hi everyone! In this video I'd like to tell you about this trend wearing underwear as outerwear. This season wearing underwear as daywear is rising in popularity among celebrities. It's not exactly a new trend. In the past couple of years, the underwear as outerwear trend has continued to pick up speed. Kylie Jenner demonstrated this season that underwear can be worn as daywear. She attended the Low Spring Summer 23 presentation wearing briefs and a tank top with sheer black tights and a grey coat. Bella Hadid wore the boxer briefs as she walked the streets of New York City while chewing a slice of pizza. Julia Fox appeared in Milan wearing a more upscale variation of the trend. She was wearing a chain top and the bottom set with a worn leather coat. Designers used mesh materials to highlight lingerie on the Fall-Winter 22-23 runways. In addition to celebrities, this trend has started to appear on runways, including Ambush, Givenchy, and Ottoliner shows. Here are some remarkable runway moments for the growing underwear trend. As we all know, trends come and go. Underwear as outerwear is a fashion concept that has appeared in many forms throughout history. Many female celebrities have successfully pulled off the underwear as outerwear trend. The peak of underwear as the outerwear trend is a full-circle moment for lingerie, proving that even fashion rules are made to be broken. So, would you be brave enough to try it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch my other videos.